Bog. Now, for Pete's sake, let's get on to our first peatland, the bog. Unlike swamps and marshes, which are on mineral soil, bogs have soils with high levels of organic material. Also, unlike swamps and marshes, bogs are usually fed primarily by rainwater rather than rivers, lakes, or the ocean. The water in bogs is usually stagnant with little or no flow. They develop in depressions in the ground, which are low in nutrients. These depressions are often left over from the last ice age and may once have been the site of small lakes or glaciers. As the bog accumulates dead plant matter, it forms a dense, spongy layer or mat, which sits on top of the water. Species of moss, notably sphagnum moss, and some other species of grasses grow in this mat, knitting it together tightly. When walking on it, you may feel the mat shift beneath your feet. Due to the layer of decaying plant matter and whatever mosses and grasses have grown on it, the mat and the water underneath it tend to become both anoxic and acidic. The accumulated, partially decayed organic matter is called peat and has been used as a fuel in many parts of the world for millennia. There are a number of different types of bogs. The typical bog forms in cool regions and is dominated by mosses and heath. However, there are other types of bog. At lower latitudes, pocosins, or evergreen shrub bogs, can form, and these are extensive in the southeastern US. These tend to feature sandy peat and woody evergreen shrubs. There are also tropical bogs, which are less common than swamps, and the peat within them is formed largely from tree remains. While tropical temperatures are usually high enough for decay to be rapid, in some areas with extremely high rainfall and groundwater that is low in minerals, the tropical bogs can appear. These tropical bogs may have tall, broad-leafed evergreen trees, such as trees in the genera Shorea or Calophyllum. Palms and screw pines can also be found in tropical bogs. Like mangroves, trees that grow in bogs often have stilt roots to keep their main trunk above the water. Bogs of all types are home to a massive variety of insects and amphibians. Warmer areas may also feature carnivorous plants such as pitcher plants and the Venus flytrap. If you want to learn more about wetland types, please check out my full-length video. So until next time, thank you for watching.